This is the new toilet that I installed about a month ago from American Standard. It's called the Ravenna, Reveena. It had a great flush, but it wasn't washing the sides. I tried to stick a drywall screw in all the rinse jets, and some of them you can't get anything in there. Some of them I broke open, but it was just awful. So I called American Standard, and she knew right away what I was talking about. Sent me a new one. Came in yesterday. I just finished installing it. Watch this. I'm going to take that other YouTube video down because it's bashing them. It's not their fault, but watch this. I did a video where a piece of TP was sitting about right there, and when I flushed, it wouldn't go down. Now watch the rinse. This one works perfectly. Pulled it right off. And good flow coming out from the jets, the rim jets. So thank you very much, American Standard, for redeeming yourself. You're not getting 5 stars because you said you were going to send me a new wax ring for down there. I haven't got to put these caps on yet. What you did send me, though, was a new gasket for there, and I didn't even use the new one. You don't need a new one for that. It's a rubber gasket, but the wax ring is a one-time deal. So 4.9 stars. Thank you very much. I'm happy. I was using this when I splashed. I had one of them splashy ones. I would use this to rinse the bowl. Advertising for A&W. My girlfriend used to work there. Thanks for watching.